This is known as scum. There's also some solid stuff settled at the bottom called sludge. Scum and sludge is a collection of all the oils and solid waste you so conveniently dispose of every time you flush a toilet or drain a sink. Misawa has 4 water waste treatment facilities. This one serves the main base. An operation control panel corresponds to a complex system of pipes and tanks outside. It moves about 100 tons of water per hour. Different tanks have different functions.
This part right here is probably the most important because it's the initial contact with the bacteria.
Combinations of 5 chemicals help separate the scum and the sludge, and the water gets purified along its journey.
The chemicals are pretty easy to use. We just make sure that they're mixed properly, that the pumps are working good, so that they inject the right amount of chemical needed into the process.
In case you're wondering what happens to all that scum and sludge, it basically gets cooked in a dehydrator and spit back out. Japanese trucks will pick up the material and use it as fertilizer. Meanwhile, experts analyze samples of water. They make sure no unwanted bacteria is present. Through the lens of a microscope, this is what clean water looks like.
Be careful what you put down your drains because it does eventually go back into the environment. And although our responsibility is to make sure anything harmful doesn't go back, do your part in helping out.
At the final discharge point of the treatment bed, the water is considered clean. Everything happens all at once at a facility operating 24 hours a day. Petty Officer Phyllis C. Touristique, Misawa Air Base, Japan.